Okay, so let me just, okay, so this is a class A subnetting, right? So I'm going to first talk about case number 1, right? The case number 1 is, as you can see, I'm talking about this case number 1, right? As /16, right? Like the case number 1 is /19 to all the way 16. So this is what is really given, 16 in the problem. So we know that this is case 1. In this case 1, we know that we have to focus on the second octet, right? This means that the subnetting is really performed on the what? This second octet, right? Initially, right? So I'm going to use the formula 256 minus 255, which is this guy, 255, right? And I got 1. So that means the network, when I try to find the valid subnet IP address, the second octet is going to change like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and all the way to 255, right? Okay, so having said that, by the way, what is my X? Any volunteer? Anyone?
8.
Yes?
Is it 8?
Yes, thank you. It's 8. And then, because, right? And you know that 255, right? So for the class A, it's going to be 255. And for the case number 1, there will be some number, right? That .0, .0. You know, that's for the case number 1. Right? And in my case, it's 255.255.00, right? So this, okay, the first portion is what? This portion is a network portion, right? And my subnet portion is going to be 1111, 1111. So my X is 8. And what is my Y? Anyone?
16.
16. Thank you. So we know that X plus Y is always 24 for the class A subnetting. So from this, we know that we can have 2 to the X subnets. And from this, we know that we have 2 to the 16 minus 2 host IP address, per each subnet. By the way, this is a huge number, right? So each subnet can have many devices. This is a huge number. But anyway, and that's why it's called class A, right? Because it's a huge number. Each subnet can have huge number of devices. But anyway, okay, so this is done. So most important question is what are the valid host IP, what are the valid subnet IP addresses, right? So we are right now working on the second octet, right? So it's going to be 10 dot, so this is given. Given is 10.000, right? So I know that it's 10 dot something. But the first one is a 0, right? So it's a 0.0.0. And by the way, we're working on the what? Second octet, right? Second octet. Okay. And what is my next? Okay, so this is like a first subnet IP address, right? And what is my next one? Anyone? Any volunteer? My second subnet?
10.1.0.0.
Thank you. Thank you so much. 10.1.0.0. Right? And then what is my next one? Third subnet? Anyone?
10.1.2.0.0.
10 dot what?
10.2.
Yes, thank you. 10.2.0.0. Right? Basically the same idea, right? Okay, so then I want to show that it's gonna be what? And then it's gonna be the last subnet, by the way. I can for this kind of problem, I can ask you. This is the question that probably I can ask you, on the final exam. So what is the last what is the last valid subnet IP address?
10.255.0.0.
Thank you so much. So this is like last valid subnet IP address, right? Is 10.255.0.0. And then I should have somewhere here 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, and all the way to 255, right? And 255. Okay. And then this could be a little bit tough. Okay, this could be a little bit tough. What is the last usable host IP address of the first subnet? This is a bit tricky. Oh no, you know what? I'll start with the broadcast. So what is the broadcast address of the first subnet? So what is the IP address here?
Is it 10.0.255.255?
Thank you so much. So the broadcast address is 1 minus the second subnet, right? So this is, for example, this is going to be 255.255.0. Okay, so this is broadcast address. Okay, now, so what is the broadcast address of the second subnet? Any volunteer?
10.
Yes, go ahead.
10.1.255.255.
Thank you so much. So you see the patterns, right? Okay, so I think I'm gonna move to the next example. I can speed up, right? Because it's the same idea. And then, okay, so the next example that I'm going to show you is the case number 2. The case number 2, right? You know what? Let's take a 1 minute break. Okay, let's take a 1 minute break.